Hair has been buzzed. Gown has been put on. Very, very glamorous. Ready to go.
So as you can see, we are finishing the first part of our direct hair implantation. We are finishing the part of extraction. We have extracted our grafts from the whole donor area. We are keeping our grafts in a special liquid so that we can increase the survival rate of our grafts. And as long as we finish, we will be ready to start the implantation of all these grafts.
So we're ready for the last part, which is the implantation of the hairs. They've already been extracted. I've had no pain. Excited to see the finished product. As you can see, I'm finished. I want to give you my overall experience from when I come in. Very, very smart building. You come into, receptionist, absolutely wonderful. Came upstairs, went through everything with the doctors about what they were going to do. Everything was painless, from lying down in like a massage chair to getting your hair taken out and then putting back in. As you can see, I have the full head done. Today we broke a record. We had 8,512 hairs taken out in a one sitting, and that has never been done before. I've been given the aftercare for the next 4 days. Everything's been broken down to me, everything's been given to me on a sheet. I'm aware of what to do for the next 4 days and the continuing days after that. So DHI, thank you so much, amazing job.